Welcome to Plain Truth. Now listen to what I'm telling you. Out of control. George Zimmerman's prosecutor, Angela Corey, has been criticized for indicting Zimmerman by no less than the former head of the American Bar Association of the Florida State University, Talbot Delamberti, and by Alan Dershowitz, professor of Harvard Law School for almost a half a century, who says Corey willfully and deliberately omitted critical exculpatory evidence, namely that Trayvon Martin was beating George Zimmerman bloody at the time of the fatal gunshot. So Corey avoided a grand jury, where her case likely would not have held water, and then withheld evidence in her affidavit to the judge. It was a perjurious affidavit, Dershowitz told Front Page magazine. Submitting a false affidavit is grounds for disbarment. So why isn't Angela Corey being disbarred? And all these other evidence by the going on with Trayvon Martin. Trayvon Martin had a bag full of jewelry when he went to school. He was still going to school, 17 years old. Backpack full of stolen jewelry, a man's watch, and a large flathead screwdriver described as a burglar's tools. Martin said he was just holding it for a friend. Well, the police and the school and everybody, they just swept all that stuff under the rug. And 2 days before, I understand too from another article somewhere else, that 2 days before he was in trouble because he slapped the bus driver. The bus driver asked him to pay for getting on the bus, and he didn't like that idea, so he slapped the bus driver. The bus driver called the police, and they swept that under the rug. And he said, and his company told him, forget about it, just let it go. So had they not forgotten about it, he would be in jail. He would not have been prowling the streets and being in trouble, getting shot for whatever reason it was, whether it is his fault or not his fault. He would not have been out there. No, people are letting everything slip by, and then all of a sudden somebody gets killed, and all these rabble-rousers that are going out to cause mass mayhem in the United States are having a field day, and they don't get the whole story about what's really happening in America. Thank you for watching Plain Truth.